Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Don't Cry by BeBe and CeCe Winans. This song is going to be in the key of A flat. Then we're going to modulate to B major on the bridge, and then we're going to end back in A flat. Okay, let's start off with the intro. You're going to start off on A flat over E flat. To a D minor 7 flat 5. To A flat over C. To a G minor over B flat. To an F minor over B flat. To an E flat chord. To an E flat 7. Again. And then we start the verses. Here we are again. Oh, that old familiar place, where the wind will blow. No one ever knows the time or space. Don't cry for me. Don't shed a tear. The time I shared with you will always be. And when I'm gone, please carry on. Don't cry for me. Okay, so for the first verse, you're going to be playing an A flat twice, to a D flat over F, to an E flat 7 over D flat, to a C minor 7, to an F minor 7, to B minor 7, 11, 7, 11, adding the 11, to an E flat 7 sus 4, to an E flat, to an A flat. Then we're going to walk up, D flat over F, E flat over G, to A flat, B flat 7, add 11, to a C7 sus 4, to an F7 over C, B minor 7, 11, to an F sharp, add 2, so you're adding that A flat sus 4 on top of E flat, and you're doing that there. All right, and then the next section. Don't Cry for Me, B flat minor 7, to an E flat, don't A flat major 9. Don't shed a tear. To a D flat major 7. The time, F sharp, I shared with you. To E flat minor 7. Will always be. So we went to a B major, now to an E sus4, E flat sus4, to an E flat. And when I'm gone, to B flat minor 7, to an E flat, still A flat major 9, carry on. Now 2-5-1, B flat minor 7 with the 11. Don't cry for me. And then we go back to the intro. Me. Second verse, same exact chords. No one is the blame. Oh. My death was meant to be. Don't carry guilt nor shame. The reason why I came, soon you'll see. Don't cry for me. Don't shed a tear. The time I shared with you will always be. And when I'm gone, life still carries on. Don't cry for me. Okay, those are the chords. I played a little variations there, but the basic chord structure you see. Okay, now let's go to the bridge. So we're going to start off by playing a C, C sharp, E flat, then we're going to go to an E major 7, to an F sharp 7, to a B, F sharp over B flat, to an A flat major 7, to an E flat major 7, to an F sharp 7, to a B. Okay, let me go through that again with the lyrics. Don't cry when life is not the joy it should be. With life comes pain. Soon time will end its course appointed, and you will be rewarded, and all the world will see. Don't cry for me. And then you go back to A flat. Okay, so again, you're playing with an octave primarily, preferably. Don't cry. So you're doing that E major 7. You can play any of the inversions. To F sharp 9, to a B major, F sharp over B flat, to A flat minor 7. It should be with life. So F sharp 7 comes pain. Okay, there's the B. Now we're gonna hit that. It's a E flat to E to F sharp. Then we're gonna go to a G major 7. Soon time to an F sharp 7 will end. B, I'm sorry, to F sharp over B flat, end its course appointed. So A flat minor 7. And then we're going to go to this E flat 9 sus4, which is a D flat chord on top of E flat. And you will be rewarded. So resolve to an E flat. Be rewarded, and all the world will see. So I'm playing an E flat now on top of F, which is an F9 sus4. Now it's an F7, or you can add the 9. I think just the 7 will do. Okay, one last time. Go through the section. Don't cry when life is not the joy it should be. With life comes pain. Soon time will end its course appointed, and you will be rewarded, and all the world will see. Don't cry for me. Don't shed a tear. So, you went back to B flat after you will be rewarded and all the world will see. You go to this F7, then you go back to B flat, minor 7, to an E flat. Don't shed a tear. The time I shared with you will always be. We've gone through this. And when I'm gone, life still carries on. Okay, this is going to be a little different. Don't cry for me. We're going to add that C minor 7 as a turnaround to an F9. Will always be. Don't cry. So, after C minor 7 to F9 to a B minor 7, 11 to an E flat 9 sus4. Don't cry for me. Then the intro. All right, that was Don't Cry for Me by BeBe and CeCe